thing that I really am excited about is refreshing how I feel in my home. The scent of citrus is the perfect spring and summer refresh to brighten the mood and energize your space. And I love what Glade has out. They've launched their newest fragrance, Coastal Sunshine Citrus. It's a combination of fresh coastal air, splash of citrus, pop of pineapple. It's made by master perfumers. What? Master perfumers who are known for creating fragrances that evoke positivity, all while using quality and mindful ingredients. Now, Glade offers a wide variety of Coastal Sunshine Citrus products. My favorite is the plug-ins scented oils, but you can check them all out. They're at all your major retailers like Amazon, Sam's Club, Walmart, and more.
For more on these stories, just head on over to killerapps.tv.